Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm Richard.
And I'm Diana. It's great to be with you today.
In this episode, we are going to practice a very common situation, making small talk at work. Small talk is the friendly, polite conversation you have with people you don't know very well.
That's right. It can be difficult when you're learning a new language. So, we are going to act out a scene for you. We will pretend to be two people meeting for the first time at our new job, in a chocolate factory.
It sounds like a delicious job. We hope this practice helps you feel more confident. Let's begin. Hello there. I don't think we have met yet. I'm Richard. I just started working here on Monday.
Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you, Richard. I'm Diana. I started last week. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. How are you finding the work so far? There is a lot to learn.
It is. But everyone is very friendly. I work on the packing line. What about you?
I am in the quality control section. I check the chocolates before they are packed. It's a very important job.
I am sure it is. So, Richard, are you from Sydney originally?
No, I'm not. I moved to Australia with my family about 2 years ago. We are originally from England.
Oh, lovely. England. I'm also new to Australia. I moved here from the Philippines just last year.
Wow, the Philippines. That is a big move. What did you do before you came here?
I was an accountant back home, but my English was not perfect, and my qualifications were not accepted here right away. So, I'm happy to have this job to help my family.
I understand that. I was an ecologist. I worked with plants and animals. It's very different from checking chocolates.
It is. Sometimes it is hard, starting a new life. But I think it is a good choice for my family's future. Things are getting better for us here. Are you happy with your choice to move to Australia?
Yes, I am. It was difficult at first. Finding a place to live, making new friends. But it is a beautiful country, and my children are happy in their new school. It was the right decision for us.
I feel the same way. Well, the bell is about to ring. Our break is almost over. It was really nice talking to you, Richard.
It was great talking to you too, Diana. I will see you around.
See you?
And that was our scene. We hope it was a useful example of how to start a simple conversation at work.
You can talk about your job, where you are from, and what you did before. The important thing is to be friendly and listen.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Slow Spoken English.
If you found this episode helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We'll see you then.